Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making pierogi, but we're going to stuff them with cabbage. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our sauerkraut. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it, and I'm going to cook it on the stove in some boiling water for about 20 to 25 minutes just to kind of soften it up and get it nice and tender. And then while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my cabbage. I'm using a small one because I'm not making that many. And then I'm going to go ahead and dice up some onions. So let's get started. Okay, so my cabbage is all set. I'm going to go ahead and just put this in a pot of cold water, bring this up to a boil, and let this cook until everything is really tender. Again, you don't want it to be crispy in your pierogi, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so my cabbage and my sauerkraut are pretty much tender, so I'm going to go ahead and drain them into the sink, into a colander, and I'm going to let them cool because once they're cooled, we're going to go ahead and squeeze out as much moisture as we can, which will then minimize everything. So it may look like we have a lot, but it actually won't be that much. So it's going to minimize everything. Then we're going to chop it up even smaller. I'm going to go ahead and saute some onions and then add that to the onions, season it, and we have our filling.